हाय टू ऑल माई लवली पीपल आउट देयर, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आप सभी को मेरे चैनल पे स्वागत है। आपने टाइटल पढ़ ही लिया होगा दैट टुडेज वीडियो इज़ गोइंग टू बी ऑल अबाउट मॉर्फी रिचर्ड्स कॉफ़ी मशीन। आई नो मैनी ऑफ यू गाइज माइट हैव दिस मशीन, या पुराना भी हो गया रहेगा, बट दिस इज़ समथिंग न्यू टू मी एंड close to my heart. So this was gifted to me by my mother for birthday, and I am someone who loves coffee and who would end up spending so much just for that one perfect cup of cappuccino. I wouldn't say that this is better than all the coffee outlets which we have. No, I am not saying that, but at least in this time of lockdown, in this time of COVID-19, where we need to stay indoors, where I can enjoy my coffee and brew my own coffee, what is more better than this? So moving forward, so today's video I'll be just explaining it to you how it operates, and later I will brew my coffee and I'll show it to you. So without wasting any further time, let's jump into the video. As you can see, this coffee machine is quite compact and does not end up taking the entire kitchen counter space. You can find this machine on Amazon and Flipkart. I personally got mine from Amazon. I'll leave all the links in the description box. Moving forward, the top part of the coffee machine, which is the opening of water tank, where we will be adding water to brew our coffee and to froth milk at the same time. Looking at the lid, I can say that it is high quality and is durable, and while holding it in the hand, it is little bit heavy, not that heavy, little bit. And the next thing you see is called carafe. Those are the measurement marks in order to brew your coffee. That is 1 cup, 2 cup, 3 cup or 4 cups of coffee at a time. It can brew up till 4 cups. Always remember to add double amount of water. For instance, if you need to brew 2 cups of coffee, we will be adding up till the 4th mark on the carafe, and with the help of the carafe, we will be adding water in the water tank. Always remember to add sufficient water so we don't fall short of water to brew coffee and to froth milk as per our liking. And while closing the lid of the water tank, remember to close it firmly and tightly, or else the steam will seep out of the water tank and coffee won't brew properly. Next, you can see the symbol of unlock and lock. We'll move the filter holder from right to left to unlock it, and you can see that is filter holder what I'm holding. Inside it is the actual filter where we will be adding our coffee grounds into the filter. Those, please avoid the stains on the filter, those are the coffee stains. Inside the filter, you can see again there are measurements for 2 cup and 4 cups of coffee grounds, so that we don't end up adding less or more. And you can see the tiny holes where it will allow your coffee to brew and fall right into your carafe. Now you can add your coffee grounds with the help of this thing. I don't know what this thing is called, or you can use your regular spoon which you have. Add some coffee ground with the help of this, and remember to level the coffee ground by patting or tapping this thing. and put it back onto your filter holder, and using the same symbol from left to right, moving from left to right, that is how you lock the filter holder. I know I struggle a lot of time, but it's always advisable to use both your hands. The thing next what we can see is called the Strem controller, where you can adjust the setting accordingly. Where you want to brew your coffee, you can place it there, and when you want to froth your milk, you can place the Strem controller accordingly. You can also adjust the settings for your coffee. If you prefer strong coffee, medium coffee, light, as per your preference, you can do it with the help of Strem controller. The next thing you see is the nozzle, which is attached to the milk frother. You can froth your milk with the nozzle on, or you can froth your milk without using the nozzle. I would recommend to froth your milk without the nozzle. It froths in a better way.